Welcome back to the Drama Queen Show. It's your girl Cherry. And as you see from the title, guys, we're doing something a little bit different today. Today, we're going to talk about the mass deportation in the United States of America. Yes, guys, it's a very sad one. However, I wanted to take the time to reach out to my fellow Jamaicans. But first, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks to my day one subscribers. And thank you so much to all my new subscribers. Please let me know the content that you like so I can try and give you more. As I am sitting here with you, there is a new boss in town. hmm And whether we like it or not, the fact remain there is a new boss in town. So guess what? A lot of things are gonna happen, and there is no shame to the game. The mass deportation in the United States of illegal immigrants is one of the things that's going to be taking place, which is scheduled to start in Chicago tomorrow, Tuesday, January 21st. Yes, guys, and this is news all over the media. I am not making this one up. You could check with all the major headlines in America. They are carrying this news. However, people have different views on this one, and I kind of want to do this video to reach out to my Jamaican people who are illegal in America. Just give you probably a little word of advice or a little bit of encouragement. But I want to talk about this debate that I was watching last night and the different perspectives and what people had to say about this mass deportation that is scheduled to take place. Yes, guys. So, on one side of the house, they were trying to say that they're protecting their borders. And when you think about it, if you have your house and everywhere is open and anyone can come in, and I'm just summarizing this, guys. Anyone can come in, and the type of people they're trying to keep out are criminals. Yes, guys, the criminals are the main ones that's really messing this up. So I was taking note of that point that was said by that individual that was debating. On the other side of the house, someone was also saying that these illegal immigrants are the ones that pick our fruits, the ones that milk our cows, the ones that work in the manufacturing plants. And illegal immigrants have been helping the United States of America long before I was even born. I was taking note of that point as well. It's a sticky one, guys. I want to know your thoughts on this mass deportation that is scheduled to take place tomorrow. Once the new boss, as I'm sitting here, there's a new boss in town. Yes, guys. Like it or not, the fact remains, there's a new boss in town. Anyway, guys, to my Jamaican people, because I am from Jamaica and I kind of want to tailor this video to my Jamaican people who are illegal in the United States of America. And guess what? Even though you might not be illegal with this new boss in town, just be mindful. This might be for my illegal immigrants today. Tomorrow, it can be another scenario. Read between the lines. But for my legal immigrants in the United States of America, from Jamaica, my heart goes out to you. Don't be scared. Do not be scared, Hopefully, you were saving up some money and you were sending it back home in your bank account. I know I can just walk into JN and send money straight to my account in Jamaica. It's kind of scary to be in foreign working your money and sending it to family members and other people. And when you go home, you have no money. So I really hope that you had a bank account in Jamaica and you were sending some money home just in case of situations like this. I might be saying this to my illegal immigrants, but also for us who are US citizens and green card holders. We have no clue what's coming next, so we need to be preparing ourselves as well. I do not believe that this thing is going to happen overnight. So, to my illegal immigrants over here in the United States, I think we might still have some time. There is no way they can pick up 11 million people and deport them back to various countries in a short period of time. I don't believe they have the resources, the infrastructure in place to do that. It's not going to happen overnight. So, this is an eye opener right now to buckle down if you didn't buckle down as yet. If you are unfortunate to be in the first batch that get deported, hopefully, as I'm saying, you have a little foundation back home. Because when we leave our home country and come to the United States of America, we come here for a better life, a better life for ourselves, a better life for our children. But we should never throw stone behind us. At the end of the day, we came here for a better life and we should be securing a better life back home as well. Therefore, if you haven't started securing that better life back home as yet, I believe you still have a little time to buckle up and start sending some money back home. If you didn't have a house bill yet, you try hurry up and build a little one room. Just get something in place. Have some solid ground just in case this thing is real and they're really going to start this mass deportation. So that's the first thing I want to point out to all my Jamaican illegal immigrants out here in the United States of America. I do not believe this mass deportation is going to happen overnight. I can be wrong because the new boss who is in town is a man of his words. So I am just hopeful for my people, and this is just to give you a little bit of hope to let you know that I don't believe this thing is going to happen overnight. So get something in place, start buckling down, prepare yourself just in case this mass deportation is real. However, there's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do. If this is true, there is nothing we can do. Guys, I was also watching where there's a lot of lawyers coming out, and to my illegal immigrants out there from Jamaica and the Caribbean diaspora, there are channels and legal grounds that is in place to protect illegal immigrants. You need to do your research. You need to consult with a lawyer. I don't know, you need to seek advice and do your research. Just don't be walking around taking this thing for a joke. There are channels to follow, and I believe you must do your research and seek legal advice. I do feel it for my people because some of us come to this country. I don't know about anybody, guys, but for me, it was an opportunity for me. I was able to go to school. Probably if I was in Jamaica, I wouldn't have gone to school. I was able to work and be a professional. And probably if I was in Jamaica, I wouldn't be able to do this. It's a land of opportunity, guys. I think that's why a lot of people love this country so much. However, people have been coming to America illegal long before I was even born. Yes, guys. And it's to the point now where I believe they probably had enough, or there's too much criminal activity going on. And the criminals are the ones who make it bad for everybody else. So, whether we are here legally or illegally, we must be mindful. There is a new boss in town. Anything can happen at any time. We are from Jamaica, and I don't know if you see that. A lot of foreigners are running into Jamaica to buy up Jamaica, guys. So, as much as we're running away from Jamaica to get a better life, when we come to America, we need to go and build structure back home just in case anything happens. Because even though Jamaica is hard, when you get the opportunity to come to America and you can utilize the American dollar back home, it makes a lot of sense. So we can't come here, throw stone behind us. We must be mindful of situations like this, guys, and start putting things in place. If there is anyone from Jamaica watching this video right now, and you would love to buy a house back home and don't know where to start, reach out to me in the comment section. I have friends who are realtors. Let me know if you would like me to bring one of them on board. Let me know if you would like me to get an interview with one of those realtors to give you more information on how to buy a house in Jamaica. There are lots of videos on YouTube on how to buy a house in Jamaica. And as we can see, a lot of foreigners are going back to Jamaica, packing up and moving to Jamaica. And right now, houses in Jamaica is even selling for US dollars. So when we come here, guys, whether legal or illegal from Jamaica, we must be mindful based on this situation that's going on. Anything can happen at any time. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just a sad topic today, and I feel it for everybody. But because I am from Jamaica, I feel like I want to tailor this video to my Jamaican audience. However, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And guess what? Let's watch and see how this situation is going to play out. But my Jamaican illegal immigrants in the United States of America, don't panic. Seek legal advice. Find out the right channels that you need to follow. I believe you still have a little bit of time, guys. So you need to just buckle down, start sending some money back home, go build one little one room if you didn't build a little one room yet, just in case this thing really happens. It's your girl Cherry, and I will see you on the next video.